download VinylMaster software, open a Chrome browser page on your PC and go to the VinylMaster server page at https://fcws1.com/info/vmlinks.php and click on the Download Software option. This will launch the download page, which will ask you to enter your software product serial number, or PSN. Your PSN can be found on the VinylMaster card you received with the purchase of your cutter. Do not lose the card or PSN number, as you may need it in case you want to reload the software at a later date. Once you have entered your PSN, click on Submit, which will then show a clickable link where you can download VinylMaster Cut to your PC. If you are using a Chrome browser, you will see progress of the download in the lower left corner of your screen. Otherwise, the download file should be available in the Downloads directory of your computer. Once the file has completely downloaded, you can click on it to begin the install process. The installation process is more or less the same as for any software program you install, where it will ask you for various installation preferences. It will ask you for a language preference, it will allow you to scroll down and read the entire software license agreement before accepting the terms, and then it will prompt you to enter the PSN again, just to be sure someone else is not using your download, and ask you to read and accept a second license agreement, which relates not to the software, but a separate GNU public license agreement. It will then prompt you for a location on your PC to load the software. Most people use the default location. You can then choose whether or not you want to work in millimeters or inches, but you will be able to change this setting later in the software if you choose. The next screen is very important because it asks you to choose the cutter you want to be configured in the software. Here we are choosing the manufacturer to be Prism Cut and the model to be the P20. The big green check mark tells us that the default cutter was loaded successfully and will become the active cutter when we launch the software. Once the software has been installed, click on OK and then Finish to launch the software and training video. When the software is launched for the first time, it will ask you to activate the software on your PC. Activating and deactivating the software allows you to load the software on multiple computers and then quickly deactivate on one computer and activate on a different machine. VinylMaster software allows only one computer to be active at any one time. When the software is first opened, it opens a sample project first. In our example, we will go to the File menu and create a new project and click on the small X on the tab to close the sample project.